me, Mario.
Alright, so today we're going to be playing a ROM hack. Now I have to use an emulator because on the original console it would have glitched quite a bit. But yeah, greatest ROM hack ever. Mario with a shotgun. What could possibly go wrong? This is just beautiful. I did configure it a little bit so I can shoot with the trigger button. So it'll be quite easy there. That just feels more natural. But yeah, they're playing with an Xbox controller this time. And yeah, it's been configured to fit my needs as we obliterate everything in sight. Yeah! Shoot everything. Everything deserves to die! Oh yes. There he is. Lakitu. Good evening. Blah 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 blah. Die. Yes! This is the game of my dreams. Alright, we got a nice toad here. Yeah. Yeah. I can't kill Toad? Ah, L game. L game. That's fine. Alright, let's just go straight into it. Oh, wait. No. There we go. Long jump into the painting. Bomb. Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, man. I wanted to shoot him. Oh, look at this. We get to aim. All right, we're gonna just, yes. Amazing. Oh my god, you can even destroy trees? Yes. Oh, this is amazing. Alright, let's go over here. Goodbye. Where'd he go? Is he gone? He's just gone. Alright, nice. Yeah. Give me that. Easy. Don't need no chain chomp. I got a gun. Yes. Yes. Keep going. Alright. We get to go on the summit now. Long jump. Boom. There you go. What'd I kill it with? I don't even know how I killed it. Hey, Goomba. This game's amazing. Man, this is exactly how everyone remembers it. Just blowing the fuck out of everything. Yeah. Let's go up here. Hello. Hello. Yeah! Take that. Uh-oh. Ah! He's coming back. Hey, you. You can't fight with honor. What do you mean, guns aren't fighting with honor? I don't even know how to pick him up. Oh, I can still throw him. Cool. There you go. Oh, I won? Yeah! Threw him and then shot him. Amazing. Oh, I love that. It's just so satisfying. Well, that was easy. Nice job, Mario. Or should I say, shoddy? I hate that. Oh, I get to foot race him? Do I get to shoot him, too? Hi. Yeah, I can win. Yeah. Let's try and kill him. Yeah! Hey, guess what? You suck. This makes everything so much easier. Let's go. Hold on. Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is so fair. Oh, there he is. Go away. Come at me. Get away from me. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win, not him. He's trash. Utter garbage. You know what? I'm gonna go all the way. Yeah, let's go all the way. Alright, just keep running. Yeah, this is so fair. I just get a gun. Yeah, go, 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 go. I win! Yeah! Let's see if he comes up now. I have a better idea. Oh my god! Come back up! Come on! Is he busted? Oh my god, he's broken. Hold on, I'll save you. There you go. Oh my... Alright, that works too, right? I mean, just walk over it. I already win and I'm just terrorizing him with a gun. Amazing. Oh, yeah, he's almost here. He's having a little bit hard difficulty. Here. Oh. Oh, no, this isn't gonna work. I think he's busted. Might have to actually help him. Okay, he's just kind of stuck. No. I said no. Come back. Wait, he might actually... Okay, there we go. Ow! Hold on, I'm coming to save you. Ah, piss. Might have to actually play by the rules now. Where's that heart thing? I think it's over here, right? Where's the heart? I guess I don't need it anymore because I have that, but let's see if he actually made it up. Oh, there it is. I think he's stuck. We might have to, Oh, you son of a bitch. Mario, go up. Where is he? Alright, I think we have to restart. Let's not shoot. Well, we won't shoot him off that, but once we get up there, we'll just allow it. Or at least I'll be able to shoot him until I get up there. Alright, let's go. This is fair. Guess what? Yeah, let's go. See you later. Oh, he's... Oh, no. He's broke again. I'm saving you, don't worry. Oh, shoot. No, 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 he's not supposed to do that. He clings to the walls like Spider-Man. No! You can't win. Yeah, take that. You'll never defeat me, Spider-Man. Ah, shit. Come on. Oh, no, he's going up. No, 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 no. Slow down. Take that. Go, 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 go. I think I can take this way, but not the other way. Just not the cannon. Oh no. Oh god! He's coming up! Not for long. I win. Take that. Alright, now I'll let him come up. Alright. Hopefully it doesn't screw them too much. There he is. You made it. What took you so long? I definitely won fair and square. Alright, goodbye now. Oh, I can't shoot him now? Aw. I wanted to blast him off, but I couldn't. I can't wait to see what the fight with Bowser is gonna be like. It's gonna be like gun. Let's keep going. Shoot to the island in the sky. That's pretty easy. Hello. Let me in. Yeah, prepare that for me, please. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. I get it. Alright, let's go in the cannon. Cannon, please. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Completely missed. Completely missed. Okay. Okay, we'll go in here now. Up here we go. Whee! Easy. Now give me that star. I'm gonna jump up to it. Ah, perfect. Oh, this ROM hack is so funny. It's amazing. I'll definitely put a link below so you can download it yourself. I'm not gonna tell you where to get the ROMs though. That is just an easy Google search. Here. Let's see. Alright, go in here. And go up here. Boink. Now I gotta collect all these damn coins. This should be pretty easy. I always struggled with this one. Thanks. See you later. Haha. This just makes the game so much easier. Oh, Mario. Do the thing. There you go. I'm trying to do the long jump, but he keeps doing that shit. There we go. Beautiful. Goodbye. Oh, I got double kills there. Amazing. It's me. Oh. Thank you. Oh, nice. Just blast my way through there. Oh, I just died. Ooh, a heart. I mean, life. Wow, it doesn't run away from me. What an amazing game. There you go. Yeah, almost there. Thank you. That was a weird order, but it worked. Down we go. Oh, nice. Ah, nice flip into the star. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There you go, easy. I don't remember what's next. I think it's the wing cap one. I might be wrong, though. Yeah, we don't have that, so no. Can't do that. Alright, now we need to do... Bomb Battlefield. Oh, it's already open? Thank you. I'm like trying to go in and he's not. Oh, that'll be really hard. That one's gonna be so difficult. That's gonna be really hard here. Let me just, hold on. Man, that was tough. Can I... Oh, so close. Okay, I got this. Okay, hold on. I got it. I got an idea. Nope. Okay. Come on. Ah, damn it. Ah! Okay, we're gonna have to go up there now. Okay, just run over there. Hey, Womp. Yes. Hey, you. Wake up. How can you not hear that the first time? It's a gun right next to him. Hey, you. Just sleeping all of a sudden. Boom! Right in the face and just blew him up. Yes, blast against the wall. That was pretty good. I think if I did that a different way, I could have got it, but... Oh, we didn't even get it. Is it? Oh, it's on the way top. Oops. That was unfortunate. Let me try that again. That was an accident right there. Okay, we gotta go back all the way up there. Not on my watch. Alright. There we go. Ah, fuck. That didn't work. Oh yeah, we can get this one. Let's get this one. Let's do some, Oh. Okay, here we go. Got this. Whoa, that star just like... It's cut in half. Did I shoot the star? Is that what happened? I think that's what happened. I don't know. We're just getting the stars we're not even supposed to get yet. Well, that's okay. Doesn't really matter. Because this game doesn't care which one you get first. Just gonna... Thank you. Here we go. Aw, you idiot. Mario. Am I gonna die again because I'm an idiot? I think so. Can you do the side thing? Or not? I'm trying to get him to do the side jump thing. Alright, we'll wait for it to come by. Or not. Oh, there we go. That worked. Can I? I don't think so. We'll try it. I mean, it's pretty damn tall. We should be able to make it, right? Yep. Right on his head. Hi, sir. Ow. Ow. I fell off like an idiot. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, he's about to fall off. Gonna roll over here. You're pretty damn slow. Oh, there he goes. Now he's all of a sudden hyper fast. Thank you. No, I keep falling off like an idiot. Try this again for the second time. Alright, come on over here. Come on, faster than that. It's a bit too damn slow. Okay. Come on over. There you go, easy. Cool. Now let me see. I think I can shoot the star. Oh yeah, you can shoot the star. So that's what's happening. I'm shooting the star in half, so I get half a damn star. But 2 halves make a whole, so... Easy. Oh yes, let's just go fight Bowser. I think you can. 8? I think that's the limit you need. Wait, does that mean I... Hold up. I have an idea. Oh. Oh, look at that. I can beat the game without actually doing anything. Alright. Wait, I could've done that the whole time? Yeah, let's go take on Bowser. Hey, Bowser, wanna fight me? I'll be fair and square, I swear. Oh my god, look at his speed running this shit. Okay, let's make our way over there. It's like, oh, problem? Guess what? Not anymore. Ha! God, these guys have always been a problem, but they're not anymore. It's the star. Nope. Thanks, gun. You saved me. Oh, I remember this part. Shit. Damn it. That was me being an idiot. I could have totally avoided that, too. You idiot. You fucking idiot! Come on. God damn it. We're just getting to Bowser. I'm just sucking at the game. Mario! Like a big Dumbo. I have unlimited lives. I think I do. I just noticed that. There's no live counter, huh? Alright. Try this again. Try this again. Or however many times we've done this. It isn't even that hard. It's just the controllers are kind of weird. I feel like a fucking idiot. This time we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna jump across. There we go. I hate when that shit happens. There we go. Now we can fight Bowser. Alright, Bowser, I've come to fight your chunky ass. And by fight, I mean just to shoot you. Damn. That was really hard, Bowser. That was a tough fight. Didn't think I was gonna win that one. That was, Can I shoot the key now? I kinda wanna shoot the key off, but I didn't. Because I was generally curious what would happen. Oh, we fought Bowser. I'd say that's a good place to stop. Just about. We played it for like a couple minutes, but pretty good. Maybe we'll play more of this ROM hack. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.